welcome to our post-game press conference. Congratulations to the UP Fighting Maroons for their bounce-back win against the NU Bulldogs 78-74. We have assistant coach Christian Wanson and Harold Alarcon. Coach, congratulations for this bounce-back win. So, you led by as much as 18 points, pero NU made a fight back, but you're still able to win this one. So, what can you say about the team's effort to hold on with the victory?
Well, two things no, sa nabanggit mo. Malaking bagay yung pag-strong start namin. And that's been rare for us, not only in the UAAP, but really the whole year, you know, whether it's a tune-up game or, you know, a regular game. So malaking bagay yun. But at the same time, yung pag-sustain namin nun. But I thought our defense was able to hold up until the end. Gotta give it to NU. As always, there's a reason why they're the number one team. So, yung mga, you know, just like NU, alam naman natin na there's no safe lead and, you know, napatunayan nila yun. It's a good thing that we were able to hold our own and execute in the end.
Thank you to Harold. You have 24 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal. So you made a lot of crucial shots in the payoff period. So what can you say na, ano yung ginawa nyo habang yung humahabol yung NU? Ano masasabi mo na sa team nyo na, despite na humahabol ng NU, nagawa nyo kumapit hanggang sa mundo?
Siguro as a veteran, the senior namin sa team, kailangan ng composure. So yun lang yung parang nabigay ko sa team, makita nila yung veteran nila or senior nila nakikita compose. And parang mahawawan na yung pag-ano.
Okay, the floor is open.
Okay sa amin yan.
Coach, regarding na lang po yung strong start kanina, parang throughout, siguro po nabanggit nyo nga tune-up games and all na lagi po kayong mabagal, or mostly mabagal nagsisimula.
Yeah.
Why do you think that's the case po for so long with UB in terms of starting not so strong and now it's a different story?
Well, let's just say na we didn't have the best practice last night, and I hope that that's not the reason why, you know. But again, every practice, every game is a new day, you know, as we always say. And kay Coach Gold kasi ang importante how the players would respond, you know, even if it was just a so-so practice last night. So the players responded, and yung start namin was sort of like a testament to that. And then they were able to weather the storm. So ang laking bagay nung depensa namin, and at the same time, you know, yung nabanggit ni Harold, yung composure namin. So laging in-emphasize si Coach Gold na, you know, kahit gaano ka-physical ang laban and you're not getting the calls, just continue to play on and maintain your composure. And yun ang pinakita especially nung last fight sa loob ng fourth quarter.
Harold, may extra gigil ba going into today's game? Kasi nga, galing nyo sa tight loss last time sa Lasal. Kaya ganito yung performance mo.
Siguro hindi naman din sa gigil. Parang gusto lang namin matapos yung second round. Gusto namin mag-start yung second round na mag-set kami ng tone. Kasi yun nga galing kami sa talo. May mga natutunan din kami sa mga mistakes. Tapos mga lapses din sa game na yun. And yun lang, nadala lang namin sa game na to. And sabi nga ni Coach Chris kagabi, ay sa kanina sa practice kagabi, parang medyo hindi nga okay. So napag-usap-usapan na namin na kailangan namin maging parang 101% sa pag-start ng round.
Harold, gano'n lang siguro nakatulong sa kumpiyansa nyo na alam nyo natalo nyo na yung inyo ng first round?
Sabi naman ni Coach Gold palagi, every game na mag-stay present lang. Siguro yung first round na panalo namin, hindi namin naisip yun. Kung ano lang bibigay nila na game plan, tapos kung ano lang game plan namin nila yung gagawin.
Harold, this may or may not be the last time na makalaban yung MU. Who knows, baka maghanap kayo sa Final Four. Alam ko hindi mo iniisip na kalaban yung dati mong kulay yan, si Nash. Kalaban nyo, but how fun is it playing with your crew against yan, si Nash na teammate?
Yun nga, nag-start nga ako dito sa Manila, kasama ko si Nash since high school. So, yun, may mga parang yung band namin, grabe din kasi kami talaga yung best friend, tatlo kami ni Raylan. So, nung nag-college kami, hiwalay na kami. Yun nga, parang competition lang talaga. Kasi since sa province kami, naghaharap din naman kami. So ngayon sa college, naghaharap din naman kami.
Coach, at 5-3, yun nga, just one game behind na lang kayo sa ANU. Although, there are yung mga close forces, there's Ateneo, there's FEU is even on the right. So, what's gonna be the mindset right now na, syempre, iba na yung laban lang sa second round eh.
Well, just like our moniker, we just gotta keep fighting because, one thing that we've always mentioned all throughout the season is that every game, every practice is just critical. I cannot emphasize more that these players have, worked hard, not only for 3 months, but really from the start of the year, and then for 14 games. But napaka-crucial ng bawat possession, ng bawat puntos, ng bawat laro para sa amin. So with 6 remaining games, just like what Harold said, we're just staying in the present, and after tonight we're just gonna regroup and prepare for FEU on Sunday, who just came off a win, I believe, earlier today.
And to Harold, your thoughts about the second round, especially nga mabigat-bigat na yung mga laban, especially next yung kalaban FEU na unti-unti ng mga ilaro.
I mean, expect na lang siguro ng ibang team na bibigay ko lang yung best ko kasi last round 2 ko na to sa UAP. So, yun nga, kailangan ko na magbuwis buhay na. Kailangan din namin yung 4 ko na kasama magbuwis buhay dahil last na din namin na pagsasama to.
Congratulations, Coach Chris and Harold. Thank you very much.